Y'all, this chair really gets on my nerves. Okay. So like I was saying, I'm just gonna take a moment because y'all know the vibes. Like, y'all be picking up on the vibes when the girl really is feeling wigs and like when the install is really bomb. This wig turned out to be real cute. I was real skeptical at first. Now y'all already know this is my favorite texture anyways, but I don't know why this kinky texture had me doubting it. I just don't know. But yes, it is giving. It is definitely doing what I needed to do. And one thing we should know, kinky texture is never gonna let you down. So let's get into it. First of all, before we even get into today's video, let me just take a moment out and say thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I really appreciate you guys supporting me and clicking on this video, because I know the girl can flood her channel with just wigs. Like, I know this, but y'all know I love wigs. I love installing them. I love helping y'all install the wigs at home. So, you know, so today we're gonna get right on into this look, because it is definitely a look. Okay, first of all, let's just talk about it. Let's just talk about it. Let's just get into it. Let's just not even play with the girls, okay? Let's not even play with the girls. Let's give them what they need, because this is what the girls need. First of all, let me just say this, okay? YWigs and kinky texture is a hell of a combination. Let me just say that. Let me just put that out there. Wigs and kinky texture is just like a whole vibe. First of all, let me just give you guys the tea real quick on this wig so that we can get into my thoughts and, like, you know, just talk about it. All right, so first of all, this is a 24-inch 180% density kinky straight wig with a transparent lace. It's no way this is a transparent lace. This has got to be a clear lace. It's just no way around it. I don't know what color this is on this wig, but it's like some honey blonde highlights. I actually feel like I've done a video like this before with YWigs, but it was a bob. I'm gonna try to find that video so that I link it in the video, and I also put it below in the description bar. That video got a lot of views. Y'all loved that wig. I loved it too. It's not doing too much. So I like that they used like a light brown as the base, and then they went in with the honey blonde highlights for this wig, which honestly I feel like makes it a lot more suitable for different skin tones. This texture was so not it. Like, it was so not given. Now let me say this too. This texture, honestly, I feel like if you're experienced or if you have had an experience with kinky texture, you should know, like, kinky texture is gonna give. It's gonna definitely give a natural vibe. It's definitely gonna give, I love that install. It's definitely gonna give, this is some beautiful hair. This is a beautiful install. Like, that is just what kinky texture is going to give. However, I will say the initial install, especially if you've never had a kinky texture wig, may scare you a little bit, may, you know, overwhelm you because it's a lot of hair. But I promise you, like, once you straighten out the hair, you can either use a blow dryer, flat iron, or a hot comb like I did in today's video, and I promise you it will give you the most beautiful install. Like, I have never had a kinky texture wig that I don't like, seriously. And I like the kinky texture because it's so much fuller, especially when you want your hair down. Now, I'm the type of girl where I really don't like bone straight hair. Even though I've reviewed it on this channel, it's not my favorite texture. As you guys know who watch my videos, know that it's just not my favorite texture. This is my favorite texture because it just gives that fullness to your wigs, and it also makes it look a lot more natural, like a blowout look. And that's why I actually gravitate towards the kinky texture so much, is because of its fullness and its coarseness. Like, the coarseness to the texture and just the thickness, it just looks better to me. It really does. And it feels better, honestly. But also, I will say, even if you didn't want to add heat to this hair, you could definitely put this hair in a ponytail or a bun, and it's going to be so pretty. Honestly, I felt like that's what I should have did at the beginning of the video, but I definitely fell in love with the hairline, and then I started doing other stuff. But if you remember, and I'm gonna try to post a clip here, in the beginning of the video I had my hair somewhat in a bun. I think it was before I even did baby hairs or whatever, and I already knew, like, this would be a bomb ass bun if I put this wig in a bun. Like, period. It would be so cute. But I ended up straightening the hair instead. But y'all, because the hair is so thick and full, it will give a beautiful ponytail as well as a beautiful bun. Now I definitely prefer this type of texture in a bun and in ponytails because it's just so much thicker. It's just, you know, it gives you a bigger full bun. Also, as you can see, I'm loving this hair going straight to the back because it just gives that full look that I like. But we're gonna pull it back to the front, okay? So so y'all already know one thing about it. YWigs is not gonna disappoint you, period. Wig, I do not want to take this wig off, but I have like 2 other videos that I need to film. Girl, I'm telling you, I do not want to take this wig off. It's so cute, so cute. Definitely make sure you check out that description bar because it's gonna have some coupon codes, and it's also gonna have the T on this wig. Peace.